Holy shit. And it vanishes. Oh, everybody. Cheers. Holy
For Lloyd Barnes, everybody!
coin for scale. Before I get any further, I genuinely have no clue what's in here. Do you know what? I'm gonna move the camera up here. I'm gonna put some paper away. What is in this box? Whoa. Half of me wants to open this. The other half of me is really trying to wonder what the hell this is. I received this box in the mail and it has my address on it. It has Kaylee, my wife's name, addressed it, but she said it's for me, but not from her. But in the top corner of the box, there is an elephant spray painted on the box. Before I open it, Kaylee told me, Lloyd, there's been a package sent for you. It has her name, but apparently on the address, but it's for me. She didn't send this to me, so it's not from my wife. But there's an elephant spray painted in the top corner. This was what's inside the box. I don't know what it is yet, and it's kind of a bit Schrodinger right now because I don't know what I'm getting or letting myself in for. Really, something green on the bottom here. And a close-up map, maybe. I'm guessing that's the base of something. What the hell is this? James Howell Creations. What the? Congratulations on achieving one of your white whales. What the hell is this? Oh, it says, look at this. It says the Vanishing Elephant. All right, so what the hell is this? To remove, what the, it's got the logo in there. Yo, okay, this is what it says on the back. It says, remove this panel to turn on the place panel. Watch the pretty colors. All right, let me darken the room up. What the hell is this? I'm gonna film this from the phone, on my phone. James Howell Creation Studios. Why do I know that name? James Howell's soap. I'll use my phone. Maybe I'll make a little stand here. Okay, so, alright, so this is what I can see. So, remove this panel, turn light to turn on. Or break it. Oh, okay. Whoa. Whoa. What? Replace panel. Watch the pretty colors. Okay, so. Okay. Alright, I'm going to turn it around. What the hell is. Holy shit. Oh my god. James, what the fuck is this, man? This is Pepper's ghost, built into the vanishing, for a vanishing elephant. My god, what the hell, dude? Man, What the hell? Is this can't be for me. Wow. I need to reach out to you. I need to get in touch with you. How did you get this to my wife? Wow. And it vanishes. Oh! Ah! Alright, ready? I'm gonna vanish the elephant. 3, 2, 1, bye-bye Nelly. No! No! You can't. This is the letter. This means so much more. This is so symbolic to me, James. Man, you've made me speechless. Thank you. It was fair on the shelf. So you're probably wondering, why did I get sent some art about a vanishing elephant? And I need to tell you a little story. When I was a kid, I was watching a TV show. And on the show, the magician placed a toy elephant down, built a house of cards around the toy elephant, and then it vanished. And I have been obsessed with that trick since I was little. And I've tried to look for who the magician was, who created it, how to buy it, my entire life. I'm 37 now. And I have a few white whale tricks like this, a few tricks that I've seen or thought I saw and have memories of, and I've been trying to track down the origins of them. One of them was Dr. Daly's last trick. And anyway, I was in Liverpool a couple of months ago, speaking to one of the resident magicians from the Oracle Bar, a guy called Man. One of the most incredible, spine-tingling magicians I ever had the pleasure of meeting. And one of the effects he showed me, he brings out a toy elephant and he placed it on the table. And in the midst of a card routine, the elephant vanishes. And I said, oh my God, dude. Was you inspired by the same thing that I saw? Is this like you searching for the same white whale? And he said, no, this is inspired by a story that my uncle told me. And I said to him, oh my God, man, I've been trying to track down the origins of this toy elephant vanishing in a card castle. And he didn't know anything about it. So again, I went off without finding my white whale. And about a week later, I was being interviewed by Alexander McAleer on the Magicians Podcast Network. And we were going over old magic shows. And at the end of the podcast, when we finished recording, I told him about what happened in Liverpool, and I said, man, am I losing my mind? Or did I ever see this toy elephant vanish in a house of cards? And after 30 years, within 30 seconds, he said, oh yeah, that was Siegfried and Roy's magic show in 1994, and here's the link to it.
Well, this became a challenge, so I practiced until the challenge disappeared.
And sure enough, there it was. And as soon as I saw it, I knew exactly it was the same clip. But in my head, I'd completely rebuilt the memory to be entirely different. And somewhere along my 30 years trying to hunt this down, I had added new elements in. So at that moment, I decided that I had found my white whale, my white elephant, and now I wanted to make my own, create my own piece of history for someone else to track down in 100 years from now. And this is it. This is the Vanishing Elephant. I haven't really shown many people this. I've done it on stage twice. The day after I finished making it at the Magic Circle for the J-Day convention, I got a standing ovation. 3, 2, Nelly vanishes. All I have to do is show this. And that's the end of my lecture, everybody. And then at the Session Magic Convention 2026, and again, it got me a standing ovation. 2, just like that, Nelly vanishes. Say 3, 2, 1, Nelly disappears. Nelly disappears. And that's the end of my and I've been working on trying to make a small amount of them for people to get their hands on. It's in a pre-order phase. Me and my wife are struggling to make them. They take 45 minutes each to make. I'm closing the pre-orders really, really soon, and I don't know when I'm going to reopen it again. But I figured I have to kind of show you guys now why I've been sent this piece of art to sort of commemorate the Vanishing Elephant. So I hope you dig it. This is Nelly. Nelly's an elephant. So as you can imagine, Nelly was named after the rapper. Now, Nelly has always dreamt of being in the circus, so let's make Nelly's dreams come true. First, Nelly needs to take to the stage, and second, let's bring out the big top. And just in case Nelly gets any stage fright, let's put up the curtain so Nelly can't run away. And finally, just in case there's a stampede, let's put up a barrier to protect the crowd. Watch. Now all we need is the limelight. Can you see Nelly there right up until the last second? 3, 2. Just like that, Nelly completely disappears. But Nelly doesn't go far. You see right over there is the peanut stand. If you listen, inside the peanut stand is one hungry elephant. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for Nelly. James, dude, thank you so much. This is the most amazing gift, tribute, piece of art I've ever been sent. It's so personal. It means more to me than you can ever imagine. I am blown away, and I don't know how I'm ever going to repay you, but thank you. And thanks to everyone so far that supported me. I'm for the first time ever, 2 weeks ago, I left my job to be a fully independent artist, and I'm doing it because of this elephant here. So if you want to get your hands on one now in the pre-order window, head to lloyd.tv, place your order. I'll be closing the window pretty soon, and I don't know when I'm going to be opening it back up again, just because they're so hard to make. They take 45 minutes each to put everything together. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you to James. See you in the next video. Peace.